It's been a crazy weather day here in the Baltimore Metro. We started with some heavy rain, thunder and lightning. Then it snowed for a little while. Then the winds gusted 55 to 60 miles per hour. And now we have the dangerous cold setting in overnight tonight with wind chills maybe down around 10, 15 below zero at times. Here's the big storm that did it all. It's pulling away to the northeast, and the further it gets away from us, the more the winds are going to ease up. But it's still windy out there tonight for sure, and it'll stay windy, I think, going into tomorrow. 10 at BWI right now with a west wind at 18 miles per hour, still gusting up to about 25 or 30 miles per hour. These are the air temperatures, not the wind chill. It's 4 in Westminster right now, 5 in the Hereford zone of Baltimore County, 10 at Fort Meade. Haven't seen temperatures like that for a long time around Baltimore. Now when you factor in the wind here at 10 o'clock, it's well below zero, the wind chill just about everywhere. 7 below Owings Mills, 8 below in Taneytown, 7 below in Rising Sun. Even over on the eastern shore, the wind chills are currently below zero, and it's going to be like that during the day tomorrow as well. This is our future cast for the possibility of wind gusts over 30 miles per hour still in the afternoon on Saturday. This is 1:30. If you're going to the Ravens game, the winds are going to gust strong still out of the west at 30, 35 miles per hour, and the wind chills, even though the air temperature will be up around 20 at that time, is still going to be down close to zero or at least in the single digits. So that's what you want to dress for if you're going to be out and about during the day on Saturday. So when's it going to warm up? Well, it's going to stay cold through the holiday weekend at least. One of the coldest Christmas days we've seen in a long time here in the Mid-Atlantic. By the time we get to the middle and end of the week, that cold air lifts up into the southern part of Canada. And by the time we get to next weekend, which is New Year's weekend, the temperatures may warm all the way into the 50s. 7-day forecast looks like this. Tomorrow, windy and cold. The high temperature only 22. The normal high is 46. On Christmas Day, breezy and cold with a high of 28. We get back into the 30s Monday and Tuesday. A slight chance for some snow on Tuesday. Then we start to warm up. By Friday, we expect a high near 52.